Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, I don't know what to say. Yeah, it's still messy around here. The time now is 8:01, and you notice that it's still messy in here. I have been busy this past 2 weeks. If you remember, 2 weeks ago we went to Hayam's Beach, and then I worked for 6 days, and it has been very busy at work. Also, I'm busy in my computer, and yeah, also I meet many people this past few weeks. They visited this place, and of course they also asked if they can see me. Yesterday I didn't able to finish all of this, but yeah, I did the bike. I already changed the seat of my bike. Also, I changed the bike tube, and now I think it's okay. If you remember this one, I have this tube that I take out from the, yeah, this is the one. I tried to find out where is the hole in here, the puncture, but I didn't see it. But yeah, with this tube I needed to air it like every 3 days. If you remember the first time that I was punctured, yeah, and until now it's always coming like that. Every 3 days I needed to air. That is why I changed it. Yeah, and if you remember this one, this is the original tube of the bike. Okay, things are somehow clean now, and also a little organized. Not the best. It's already 2:30 and we are going out now. I am hungry. For breakfast I had coffee and then instant noodles and rice and egg. Oh, and for lunch I have this, yeah, 2 pieces of this at around 12 o'clock, and now I'm hungry again. So we are going out. Maybe we are going to KFC or to the Chinese. And we are now here in the Chinese restaurant. Okay. Yeah, in there is a restaurant there, but mostly are breads and less space. Yeah, but they have a nice spring roll also in that beef patisserie. But I like the seat arrangement here. I mean, I can see the nice view of this place. Yeah, that's why I'm always here. This soy sauce with chili, and this is the spring roll, and this is the fried rice. Yeah, it's under the sun, and it's blinding me. Okay, that's it. We go. It costs $14.50. And now we are going to the coffee shop to buy a cup of coffee, and then we are going to sit somewhere. And this is how it is. Like what I've said, it is very windy. You see those boats? They are moving by themselves. I now have my coffee in here. Yeah, really strong wind. I feel that my bike is going to fall off. Yeah. Yeah, there are 2 people swimming, but you don't see any people fishing this time. Maybe because it's windy. We are going inside here. We will be on the other side. I believe in here it's not so much wavy because it's against, no, I mean it is heading from those trees. The water is heading from those trees. Yeah, it is not wavy in here. Yeah, a little bit wavy. That is the caravan park where Bisdak Osi stays for one night. Yeah, it's a good place inside. Yeah, if you want to come here in Nelson Bay, this one is a good. This one is a good place to stay because it's very near to the beautiful beach. I mean, just in front of the beach. This one, and expect that the cheapest accommodation here in Nelson Bay area is yeah, the cheapest would be $150 a night. Yeah, if you see that, for you to save, you can stay in the caravan park like that, and you have to bring your tent or your car, and the space is just around $35 or $45 or $50. The wind is acting like a brake on my bike. Yeah, strong wind really. That is all for today, and we are going home now. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, we're going to observe the sunrise. We are actually late already, but yeah, because the sun, I can see that it's already out there. But you know, the pack of life says that it's better late than sorry. Yeah, we still see something. It's on there, but if we are not late, actually we're going to the near to my workplace, and we'll see the whole sunrise. That's really beautiful, but we are late. We still keep on going. We go back around. Yeah, we are supposed to go to that far side, and from that far side we're going to see the sunrise nicely. And you know, it is cold this time. The temperature is maybe 15 degrees. It feels like that, but sure, in the lunch it's going to be hot. This is my very first sip of this cup of coffee. Yeah, because I just woke up and then I realized that, oh, I need to see the sunrise. And so I made the coffee and ran here. And this is the first sip. Actually, we are going back. We are heading to the other side. Okay, we go spend some time in here. Look at that, there's one bird. He's drying himself. Yeah, the wings wide open. The sun is there. Oh, I want to show you that I have this Rode Wireless Go. Yeah, I have this for a long time, maybe more than a year already. But only this day that I started to use it again. Yeah, in the beginning, I was using it, but then I feel uncomfortable having this in here. Or I don't like the battery life. I'm always worried that maybe I was vlogging, but then there is no battery. Yeah, that's is what I'm worried about. So once you switch it on, and when you switch this on also, it will automatically connect to each other and you can start recording. Yeah, and you know the good thing about this is Bluetooth. If I keep on moving, come here, you can still hear me talking. Yeah, I'm already far. So this is maybe this is more than 10 meters already. I'm actually near to the water and I'm on the rocks. So this is far. And I believe you can still hear me. Yeah. Yo, yeah, yeah, yo, yeah. Time, Father, don't say yeah. I'm wasting my battery. So I think if you are trying to buy or looking for a camera, microphone for camera, this is the one. This is good. It is compatible also to any camera. At the moment I am using GoPro, but it is going to work in any camera. Oh, that bike is the same like this bike. Oh, it's not. It's different, but that's also electric bike. Yeah, many people are walking around. I mean, they are jogging. We're actually going home now because my iPhone's battery is running low and I will have no music. Without music, it's not good for the bike. Not really, but yeah, I like with music when I'm on my bike. But we are actually going first to the ATM machine to take some cash, $250 for the house rent. I am 2 days late already to pay the house rent. Yeah, I forgot last time, and then yesterday I forgot again. And now we are going to get it. Look at this, it's still early. There's no so much car at the moment. There is 2, and on that side there are 5. Yeah. Looks different, feels different. Oh, look at this. They are looking for stop wanted, inquire inside. And look at this flower, it looks different. Look at that. What kind of flower is this? It's nice and beautiful. We're going to be the first few guests in here. Oh, we're going to take one of these tortilla. This is just $3.40. Oh, look at this. They actually have a coconut here, the actual coconut. And it's $3 per piece. And this is coming from Samoa. This eggplant, this is $8.90 per kilo. But we're just going to take one. We're going to take two pieces of this. Actually, we take 4. We're going to take a frozen vegetable. Yeah, this is $5. And we're going to take one of these. Oh, this is salted. Oh yeah, there's one unsalted here. Also, oh, not that one, but this one is a barbecue flavor prawn crackers. The seat of my bike is looking too low now. Yeah, I'm going to adjust it when I get home. Oh, look at this. There is a free item in here. The luggage is still looking good, and that kid chair is still good too.